Welcome to Jump Boost Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror on a 1994 to 2004 GMC Sonoma or Chevy S10. As you can see, this one here is being held together with tape. So it's all falling apart completely. It's not attached at all. Plus I have all this tape that is all stuck on here. So, it doesn't look pretty on the mirror at all. Why would you look at that? A piece of wiper blade. Yeah. Taped on, don't like it. So, got myself a new one, throw in that place. Pull off all the trim. I am not the original owner of this truck, so this door panel will be replaced soon because it's been abused. I'm missing switches, it's not fully bolted down, so I'm going to wait for a truck at the salvage yard to show up to replace it. So, you can see nothing's being held in place. I even have random screws here just holding it in. We'll zoom in on this. We'll show you exactly what I mean. As you can tell, you can see they were using some other method to hold down the door panel. There's another one down there. So yeah, I'm going to be prying this door off and seeing how much it's being held together underneath. Only way to really find out is to start digging into it. I wasn't expecting this for a repair. Alrighty. Hold the door handle back, get this screw. This one looks like an aftermarket stereo screw, almost. Set that down there. Alrighty. Hold the door handle back, get this screw. This one looks like an aftermarket stereo screw, almost. Set that down there. I think my panel's ready to come off. Not much holding her on. Once you get that screw up, pop this piece up, toss it to the side, grab your door panel, hang her down gently. You can see they retaped it. I believe they're having issues with the door beforehand. So I'm going to look into my damaged door here. I'm going to run that back through. Run that through. Set the door panel over here. Knock all of the stuff I have in it out. That's fun. Set it up right this time. Alrighty. So we got ourselves some nice stock speakers with a moving center cone. I've never seen that. Yeah. It's all been taped up. Let's see why. In here for a reason? Well, whatever. Just get a door. Undo those. They weren't even all put back. You look in there, should be a bunch of 10 mils. Okay, once you get the line connected, disconnected to the power mirrors. Can undo the last top bolt and remove. Ta-da! Broken, ugly ass mirror. Now time to reinstall. Grab the new mirror, install it. Yes, I have risk and monopoly on my truck seat. Drop the line through and line it up. Should stay there if you let it sit. Put your socket in. Reach on through. Got myself a new mirror installed on the truck and ready to go. Boy, would you look at that. Needs to be cleaned, but the whole truck needs to be cleaned. So, not too worried about that.